Keeping your pool spotless can feel like a second full-time job, but the experts at Aiper have set out to change all that. Let me tell you how this dynamic duo will keep your pool spotless without lifting a finger. It is such a great combination. We are combining our amazing Aiper Scuba V3, which is new on the market, and the tried and true Aiper EcoSurfer. If you could clean the walls, the surface, the floor lines, the ledges, the steps with this bundle, but have the best of both and not have the bulky, cumbersome weight of a big cleaner, this is the answer you've been looking for. Now watch till the end for a graphic that gives you all the benefits side by side of having this combo versus having a all-in-one big heavy robot. The Aiper Scuba V3, powered by the advanced cognitive AI, Navium mode, and a vision pass system, actively detects up to 20 types of debris in real time. Instead of drifting around randomly like older robot cleaners, the Scuba V3 creates an intentional cleaning path to scrub your floors, scale your walls, and use jet set technology to blast dirt away from the water line. The Aiper V3 is awesome for several reasons. I love the fact that it cleans very well. It uses AI to find the debris, detect it, and retrieve it, and that allows you to be able to conserve that battery and gets a full clean every time it goes in there. Now I love that it comes with this V-shaped stand that you just drop it on here and it charges. No more fumbling around the back to find the cord and plug it in. Now it cleans so well. You're going to love it. I'm going to show you some in the pool shots and tell you more about how this motor works. One of my favorite things about it is it is lightweight, it is AI powered, and it has these massive cameras. Let's get it in the pool. This was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I love it. I'm so excited to put it in the pool with you. Here we go, putting it in. Now the Scuba is awesome at the waterline, the floors, and shallow surfaces. It uses jet assist scrubbing that you see here with dual brushes, 4800 GPH suction, and micro mesh. And look, it masters the stairs and the water line above the stairs. That's a very unique feature. Look at it climbing the stairs. Now my stairs are sloped and they're rounded edges, which is hard for pool cleaners, but it is just going over it masterfully. Since it seeks out the dirt and finds it, it is a lot quicker. It's not just wandering around, it's seeking the dirt. And look at it on my shallow tanning ledge here. And it has obstacle avoidance. As you see, it generally has a soft touch around my pool light. And this is a very hard spot because it's curved, it's sloped, and it has a light in the middle, and the ledge gets narrower near the ends. So this is a really unique spot that most pool cleaners struggle with, but this B3 has handled it perfectly. Another great feature it has is horizontal waterline cleaning. That gives extra time and attention on the waterline. It turns on its side and it scrubs it from the front and the side. It can detect dirt from 6.5 feet away, and it's 10 times faster with leaves, debris, sticks, bugs, you name it. It takes care of it. My Aiper EcoSurfer. Now this is an incredible machine that solar charges and it cleans the surface of the pool. It works perfectly with other pool cleaners. You can leave it in there continuously. I like to keep it nice and clean. We'll take care of your surface. You can see its shadow, how its paddles are twirling and a little jet propulsion is taking it across the pool. Now look how it is absorbing the tiny debris that's in front of it. All that microscopic debris that affects your swim quality, it is taking it off the surface and into the pool. Sometimes the debris that falls in the water will eventually make its way down to the floor and it will be removed with your pool cleaning robots, but sometimes it doesn't. It just stays there, like this clogged up and the skimmer basket. But this device really cleans well. Look how beautifully clear the water is after the EcoSurfer has cleaned the surface of the pool. It's absolutely crystal blue water, beautiful, clean, no debris on the surface, nothing floating that shouldn't be there, just crystal clear water. Stays in the pool at all times to catch all the things that land on the surface that eventually work their way to the bottom. So it keeps your pool clean proactively, and you do not have to take it out of the pool except to occasionally empty the basket. It has these side wheels here that help get that water line clean and helps it guide it along the edges of your pool. Now it has a really easy to retrieve basket and easy port in the back if you want to charge it manually with a card. So you have the best of both worlds. Now the combination of these two together means the surface is always clean, catching the debris before it lands at the bottom, and the V3 will scrub and clean the pool perfectly. You can
take it to and from the pool when you need it, but a lot of the pool cleaning duties are accomplished by gathering that dirt and debris on this surface. That's an amazing combo. Now, why you want to buy these together rather than separately is twofold. If you already have one or the other, that gives you the ability to get a really great pool cleaner without buying the higher priced pool cleaner that includes the surface. There's a few of those on the market and they are great, but there are advantages of having them separate. Now, the other advantage is you can just clean the bottom and the walls and the ledges with the V3 when you want to, when you need it, keeping the surface clean at all times. You don't have to carry a very large thing back and forth to and from the pool, and the surface is always clean with the Aiper EcoSurfer